Welcome to the Big Guys AI Lab. Before we get started, go ahead and like, subscribe, and share Big Guy content with your fellow Chads on social media.
Today, we're going to talk about bridges and bridging in crypto. If you're curious about how different blockchain networks connect and how you can move your crypto assets between them, you're in the right place. Let's jump in. So, what is a bridge in the world of cryptocurrency? Imagine a bridge that connects two islands. In the same way, a crypto bridge connects different blockchain networks, allowing you to move assets from one network to another. Here's how it works. Let's say you have some ETH, but want to use it on another blockchain like Base. A crypto bridge lets you transfer your ETH to Base, so you can use it there. To start the bridging process, you'll use a bridge service. You deposit your ETH into the bridge, and the service locks it up. Then, it issues you an equivalent amount of tokens on the Base network. This way, you have the same value, but on a different blockchain. When you're ready to move your assets back, you do the reverse. You send your tokens from Base back to the bridge, and it unlocks ETH on the ETH network. Bridges are essential because they help different blockchains work together, enabling you to use your assets in a wider range of applications. For example, you might use ETH-based tokens for DeFi on ETH, but prefer to use Base for lower transaction fees or unique features. One popular bridging service is SuperBridge. This bridge allows you to transfer assets between ETH and Base, making it easier to utilize the benefits of both networks. To sum it up, bridges in cryptocurrency are tools that connect different blockchains, allowing you to move your assets from one network to another. They help you use your crypto more flexibly and take advantage of various blockchain features. Thanks for watching. We hope this gives you a clear understanding of crypto bridges and how they can help you manage your assets across different blockchains.